Anong
Okay,
oras?
so from
Saan
the
kayo
lobby po, nagsabi po ako na I have a permit to enter the Senate, and then tinanong po yung pangalan ko, hinanap po nila sa computer, and then nung na-confirm po nila, sabi nila umakyat ka na sa second floor, dun ka mag-register. So pag akyat po, nakikita niyo po meron pong separate na bag and body scanner where yung mga guest po dapat mag-pass through muna doon. After po noon, pupunta po sa logbook area, ilalag niyo po yung pangalan niyo, yung phone number niyo, taga saan kayo, and kung saang office kayo pupunta. And hihingan po kami ng ID to verify kung kami po talaga yung nasa list. And that's what I did, Your Honors.
Ito po, yan na yung pumunta kayo sa Broome, di ba?
Yes
Sige,
po.
sige, tuloy niyo lang.
Yeah, so dahil nga po nakita ko na yung elevator is cramped and dalawa lang po yung para sa mga senators, isa lang po yung sa guests, and natatakot ako na pumasok sa cramped elevator because I don't have my mask, I took the stairs po. And dumaan po ako kay Beng, inuna ko po muna siya dahil sa totoo lang po, nakiusap po ako sa kanyang mag-prepare or mag-print ng sample proposal na i-attempt ko po sanang i-present kay Senator Erwin. So dumaan po ako doon briefly, nagpicture pa nga po kami, and I texted my other friend sa Broome who was at that time in the session hall to tell her na, hey, nandito na ako. So after po noon, umakyat na ako dahil nagagalit na po sa akin yung staff ni Senator, bakit daw po ang tagal ko. Sandali lang daw po si Senator para explain sa akin kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. So umakyat na po ako sa office ni Senator Erwin Tulfo.
Mr. Chair, may I also add that we'll be submitting a screenshot of the text message between my staff and Ms. Mina Jose. Where was she during that time? Dahil doon po sa text message, sinabi niya dumaan pa sa Broome. At meron din po akong letter sa staff ko asking her bakit dumaan sa Broome. Parang ginamit po yung aming opisina na makapasyal siya sa Broome, wala naman po sa agenda. Hindi rin po niya minensyon na may kilala po siya dito sa Senate, dyan sa Broome, sa Blue Ribbon. So, in other words, Mr. Chair, parang nagamit po yung opisina ko para dumaan po siya sa Broome kung ano man yung kanyang business doon, Mr. Chair.
My apologies, Your Honor, if that appeared that way. It was just my intention to see my friend, especially when I heard that Beng is suffering from cancer and I haven't seen her in a long time. So I thought it was an opportunity for me to also visit her.
Mr. Chair, the question is, you should have told us na may kaibigan ka under investigation. My staff even asked me, Mr. Chair, if you would remember and you lied. Sinabi namin, baka ikaw sabit ka dito sa flood control. Wala po kami, hindi po kami sabit dyan. Ang mga project ko 30 million. Do you remember that? You were asked, Ms. Jose.
Yes, Your Honor, because I am of honest belief na wala po talaga kami.
You were not, bakit nababanggit ang pangalan mo dito ngayon? Meron ka palang kinalaman dyan sa mga proyekto sa Bulacan na yan. Why didn't you tell us straight up? Had you told us na meron kang sabit sa mga project sa Bulacan, we wouldn't have let you step in the Senate, Ms. Jose.
Your Honor, prior to the text message that was shared by Bryce, nagulat po talaga ako dahil wala po kaming pinasukang project. We never joined any bidding. We never
Mr.
submitted
Chair,
any documents.
hindi nga po Mr. Chair, sinasabi para lumalabas na isa ka sa conduit, isa ka sa mga sabit na nagdala ng pera, something to that effect. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na kasama ka sa proyekto, pero sabit ka sa problema sa flood control. You should have told us. You should have informed my staff na pumunta ka rito na dadaan po muna ako. How hard is that to say? Pakisabi kay Senator, dadaanan ko muna yung kaibigan ko sa Broome na may sakit na cancer. Why didn't you do that, Ms. Jose, Mr. Chair?
Your Honor, I don't think Senator Erwin is privy to the conversation with the staff
Yes,
to whom I have mentioned before.
Senator
this-
Erwin, please no. I think si Bryce was the one who made that assertion.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for the latest hot news of the press.